Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Let's take a look at what you've got going on in your Wednesday folder. So again, we're in the May 11 to May 15 folder, and we're looking at Wednesday, May 13. The first thing you're going to do is listen to a story, and then you're going to respond to it by sending me a message based on the question that I have for you. So this story is different because it's just me reading it to you. You're not going to see the words for the story. After you finish the activity for number one, number two is your spelling words quiz. Once you've finished your quiz, you're moving on to number three, which is fluency practice. So same fluency passage from Monday, but new questions. Number four and number five are dedicated to the recipe writing. So we're going to take just one more week to work on that assignment so that Mrs. Tovey and I can get the cookbook together and share it with you all. So if you're someone who has not finished your recipe yet, make sure you get that done because we're going to cut it off at the end of next week. Okay, so the next section is fluency practice with Miss Lane, where the little star is. Just a reminder, if you ever see your name in the folder somewhere, be sure to read that message and do what that message says. So number 6 is your reading log. Number 7, make sure that you take a look at the music assignment and do that. And if you have questions about it, reach out to Mr. Labonde, or you can ask me, but I'm probably going to tell you to reach out to Mr. Labonde because he's the one who made the assignment and he can explain it better than I can. Okay, so after you've taken care of all of your jobs, including band orchestra, ELL, MTSS, and anything for Mrs. Diggins, you can take a look at Cinco's Feed, take a look at the typing skills practice, work on that. You can do those optional activities on that last section of the folder, and also take a look at the groups. So Miss Checo, Mrs. Hensel, and the nurses groups are in there. If you have questions about anything, please send me a message or come to the chat when it's open. All right, I'll talk to you later.